Hi everyone, Paul Morbid here, Morbid Team Entertainment. In this video I'm going to talk about props for experimental horror films. As you can see with the prop I have right here, it's very self-explanatory. I like to use props that are dull in texture as well as colored glass that is reflective for the celluloid film, color and or black and white. I used to search for props to keep a good stock on those for films that I'm intending to make through way of thrift stores. Family and friends have donated stuff, so I intend to put name credit in the film for those individuals. It's always good measure. Today, due to COVID-19, it's really best to shop for these props via the internet. That type of thing is much safer. These props with the color and the texture do add a particular vintage, creepy look to the celluloid film of the experimental horror genre. As we in the avant-garde filmmaking business and the fans find this the expression of art through, with experimental horror films, the props to tell the story. This goes along with color, sound effects, things of this nature. So these are some good tips to keep in mind and understand. This will pertain to the story and pertain to the gore that's going to be happening, the psychological mind of the perpetrator in the experimental horror film and or the victim and what's going on. So keep in mind, props in experimental horror are essential. I hope you've enjoyed this video on props for experimental horror films. Do subscribe to my YouTube channel and put a like on my videos. Thanks a lot, and bye-bye.